Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody has been doing well. I hope everybody is excited about Halloween because I know I am. And in today's video, I am bringing you an easy and cute vampire teeth set that you could do yourself at home. All you need is a few nail polishes and you're good to go. Alright, so I'm going to keep this intro cute and simple so you guys already know the drill. Make sure that if you enjoyed this video, you watch it until the end. And if you enjoyed it, go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post. And of course, share. So first thing is first, I will be using Valentino Beauty Pure Gel Polish in number 045, which is their white polish. And I'm going to go ahead and put that as the base for the nails. But before I do that, I'm going to go in with Valentino Beauty Pure Base Coat. So like I said, after that base coat, I was going to go in with 045, which is Valentino Beauty Pure's white polish. And I did 2 layers of the polish and I cured each layer for 2 minutes. I started off with the blood first, so I went in with gel polishes 002 and 004 from Valentino Beauty Pure as well. And the reason why I used both of those colors was because I feel like 002 is too much of a bright red and 004 is kind of like a wine red, so I figured if I mixed it, it would look like blood. So unfortunately, since I've been editing so much for the month of October, I didn't get to record how I did the gums for the nails, but I went in with some more gel polishes. So I went in with 047, 002, 045, and 048 to do the gums. And then I also incorporated 039, which was Valentino's yellow gel polish. And after I did the gums, I tried to do a little bit of like a yellow stain on the teeth to make it look a little more realistic. Alright guys, and that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post. Don't forget to share, and of course let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about the set. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye.